You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. In Raigad district, Odisha, a special day dawned as local people and the 4th Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) gathered to celebrate the Rath Yatra, also known as the Ghosa Yatra, in honor of Lord Sri Jagannath. Around 1400 to 1500 devotees came to the CRPF headquarters to joyfully pull the chariot carrying Lord Jagannath, his brother Balbhadra, and sister Subhadra. Commandant Mr. Firoz Kujur led the sacred rituals, sprinkling holy water and cleansing the chariot with reverence. The crowd cheered as they secured the ropes and began pulling the chariot, chanting Jai Jagannath, along with the rhythm of traditional drums, feeling united in the celebration. They pulled the chariot for a kilometer towards Gundicha Mandir, creating a strong sense of togetherness. Upon arrival, the crowd clapped in jubilation, anticipating the Prasad Sevan program. The CRPF personnel served Arna Prasad with kheer to 1500 eager participants, fostering a spirit of sharing and community. As the sun set, families exchanged smiles and stories, feeling a deep bond as a single family united in faith.
I am Firoz Kujur, Commandant, 4th Battalion CRPF, Raigada.
What is the sentimental from your heart regarding Raigada in relation to the civilian? In relation to the civilian association for the celebrations of this Rath Yatra across your campus?
Jai Jagannath, and we are in the land of Orissa, and it is world famous Rath Yatra, and we want to give a message that through the blessings of Lord Jagannath, may we prosper, may the people of this Raigada prosper.
Next, I would like to know how much enthusiasm you possess for the unique feelings you have experienced in relations to other places. What brief message would you like to express in this regard?
Actually, in the CRPF, we have so many battalions, but here in Raigada, this is the first time I am seeing so much of enthusiasm with the people of Raigada as well as with the force personnel, and that is the unique one in which all the people from Raigada and CRPF, they are celebrating this Rath Yatra. Thank you very much.
Jai Jagannath, myself Sanjay Raut, second in command, 4th Battalion CRPF, Raigada.
What are the unique features you have observed in the Raigada campus in relations to other areas? What would you want to say here?
Here I see that as per the culture of Jagannath, unitedly this celebration, car festival is celebrated. Here I am seeing same thing, that people, poor people and civic public, they celebrated this festival unitedly. That's a great thing I have seen here.
What concise message do you wish to communicate to your soldiers to ensure they lead their prospects in a brave and committed way?
They have never seen, but so far they are deployed in Odisha. This practical, what is the importance of car festival, Lord Jagannath? Unitedly, and there is no caste, religion, nothing is there in between them. Same thing they are feeling. Thank you.
मैं प्रभाकर उपाध्याय, द्वितीय कमान अधिकारी 4 बटालियन का वर्तमान में रायगढ़ 4 बटालियन में हूँ। और आज जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि जगन्नाथ जी का शोभा यात्रा निकाला गया था, और हम लोग जानते हैं कि उड़ीसा में चारों धाम में जगन्नाथ जी एक धाम के रूप में भी पूजे जाते हैं। और रायगढ़ में विशेष तौर पे मैंने देखा जो यहाँ की आम नागरिक और सीआरपीएफ ने मिलकर एक बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इस रथ यात्रा का आयोजन किया। इसमें हमारे सीओ सर श्री फिरोज कुजूर सर और बटालियन के सभी अधिकारीगण और यहाँ के आसपास जो भी गणमान्य लोग हैं उनके सहयोग से ये रथ यात्रा बहुत अच्छी तरह से कराई गई और हम लोग काफ़ी इसको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। जवानों को यही संदेश है कि हम लोग इस अवसर पर अपना संकल्प लें और अपने जो आसपास की जनता है उनके साथ सौहार्द से रहें और जो भी अराजक तत्व हैं उनको समन करने में आगे बढ़ें। थैंक यू।
This unique message has been imparted to the Raigad community since the forces deployment for ANO in Odisha in 2007. The 4 billion CRPF is persistently engaged in this endeavor. This report was prepared by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, editor of Sigma Media Lab English.